newly installed chief Nyajena Mboni Tungamira Ijerera tragically died on Saturday while attending an event hosted by First Lady Auxillia Mnangagwa irrigation scheme in Ward 23 Masvingo Central constituency. Sana penda mashikobda toka panapo na huko mnaizima yochita aiwa Auxillia Mnangagwa the First Lady Ochekeresa not subscribe or like on the bell icon. Panapa tipinda mzimu ayamdanyala chiti. Jerera reportedly collapsed while seated on the VIP podium just behind the First Lady during her meeting with widows from the local community. Regent Chief Grace Zengeya confirmed the incident, saying the community was shocked by the unexpected death, which occurred in full view of many. In quotes, I was seated a bit further from him, and we only realized something was wrong when we saw him being carried to an ambulance, said Zengeya. I was shocked to learn it was him. He was rushed to Morgenster Hospital, but sadly, we were later informed that he had passed away. Ward 23 Councillor Tichaona Machigambi, who was also present, said Permanent Secretary in the Office of the Ministry of State and Provincial Affairs and Devolution, Dr. Edmore Ozhakavambwa, called for immediate medical assistance after noticing the chief collapse. Adding to the mystery, Maduriko Manyise, the first headman of the recently established Muchibwa sub-chiefdom, also died under unclear circumstances in a car accident late last year, only a year into his tenure. Many locals now believe the string of deaths, Jerera, Edmo Zengeya, and Manyise, may be linked to witchcraft, often associated with the disputes over the installation of traditional leaders. Muchibwa family, known as Zigadzi kingmakers in the Nyajena and border areas of Zaka, recently engaged in the contentious struggle to establish their own sub-chiefdoms under Nyajena. Thomas Kwanuda panapa aiwa tiona kuti the newly installed chief achifa aiwa vanhu vakatarisa aiwa zvazonyazoshamisa vanhu kuti aiwa paevent ngaichiuya ichitumamirwa the First Lady weZimbabwe. Pina comment section medu zvimafunguro enyu, subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.